welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hi everybody, thanks for stopping by our kitchen. We are keeping the Halloween treats coming your way.
We are. Today we're going to be making Halloween pretzels.
Halloween pretzels!
Yeah.
They are yummy and great for a kid's Halloween party or an adult Halloween party.
Yeah, absolutely. And also they are very easy, which is always important. Rushing around to your Halloween parties, you got stuff to do, we know, so this is easy. And the kids can help decorate too.
Maybe even someone who's not good at decorating can help decorate.
We'll see.
We'll see. So depending on which pretzel you want to make, the ingredients are going to vary. Be sure and go to our website to check out the specific recipe for the pretzel you choose. But here's the overall of what you're going to need.
Mini pretzel twists, pretzel rods, a variety of chocolate and colored candy melts, coconut oil, and to decorate, candy-coated sunflower seeds, mini chocolate chips, candy eyeballs, black and orange sprinkles, candy corn. Alright, so earlier this week I made a variety of the Halloween pretzels and I think they turned out really cute.
So cute.
So we're going to show you how to make a few of them tonight. As you can see, we are filming at night. It's a little different. It's
really weird for us. We never film at night. We normally film like while our kids are at school.
Yeah.
But our kids had plans tonight because they have big social calendars
very
now.
popular.
They're very popular. So we're like, oh, we have a night free. We'll do a baking video and then we're going out to dinner.
Exactly.
We're going out to dinner.
And it kind of fits with the Halloween theme. You know, it's nighttime, it's spooky.
Is it spooky?
Scary things happen at night.
No, scary. Don't scare me this time. I'm serious. Don't scare me.
All right. I won't
He scared the crap out of me last week. It scared me enough that like it took me a minute. I was like, all right, Josh, which Halloween pretzel are we making first?
All right, first we're going to make the mini pumpkin pretzel. So the first thing we need to do is melt our candy. You want to place the melts in a microwave safe bowl and microwave at half power for 1 minute. And then remove from the microwave and stir in the coconut oil.
Now the coconut oil makes it really creamy and smooth when you're ready to decorate. And it also makes it heat more evenly.
Yep, that's right. So stir the coconut oil in, and now we're going to put it back in the microwave at half power for 15-second intervals until it's completely melted.
Lots of like timing with this, guys. Like the decorating part's really easy, but the microwave part I was a little intimidated by.
It's not intimidating.
A little bit.
It's
like
pretty
easy.
15 seconds. Easy. Our orange candy is completely melted and it looks great. So you'll need for this either like a wooden dowel, using like a kind of like a popsicle stick, or you can use a fork to get the pretzel out. Put a pretzel in there, plop it in, move it around, flip it, make sure it's all covered, shake off the excess candy, and then we're gonna set it on the parchment paper. Pretty easy, right?
Pretty easy.
Okay, so let's do a couple more and then I'll let you do some, Ange.
Okay, so you put it in.
So put it in, move it
swirl
all
it around, scoop
shake
it out.
off the excess, put it on the parchment paper.
Plop, flip, swirly,
swirl around.
Swirly, tap it on the side.
Yep.
Ta-da!
Yeah, see? It's not that hard. You can do it. Your kids can do it. It's gonna be great.
All right, so what are these guys for?
Okay, those are candy-coated sunflower seeds. I got a variety pack that had all these different colors.
These are green, and we're gonna use it as the stem of the pumpkin.
Yep, they work really well in decorating these Halloween pretzels.
And this is my favorite kind of dessert, you guys. I love like salty and sweet. Our kids all love these too.
Oh, they do.
Someone commented, they're like, your kids love everything. They don't love everything. But like candy on a pretzel or chocolate on a pretzel, they're all over it.
Yeah. All right, so now we're gonna add the green sunflower seeds to our pumpkins. So you just really gently put it right on top, just as a stem. So before these pumpkin pretzels harden, you just wanna take your dowel or your fork, you just wanna move them a little bit up on the parchment paper, okay? And that's just to get the excess candy out of the little holes.
Oh, I see, so it doesn't stick.
Right.
I get it.
This way they just look a little bit more like pretzels rather than just a candy clump. All right, so now we're just going to let these dry and we'll move on to the pretzel owl. All right, so the first step of the owls is we're going to melt our chocolate. So I'm gonna go do that.
I am filling up on pretzels and candy corn.
Don't eat it all.
I know, we still have dinner. We're going out to dinner.
Same thing as the pumpkins. We're going to just dip the pretzels in, get them all covered, and shake it off, and just put it on the parchment paper.
So Josh is dipping all these pretzels into the chocolate, and when he gets them done, he's then gonna slide them a little bit forward to get the excess chocolate off, and then we decorate.
So I'm just gonna set this chocolate aside because we're not done with it. We're gonna use it for the owls a little later.
Okay.
Okay?
So what color do you do the nose with?
All right, you can do the nose any color you want really, but I think the yellow and orange noses look great.
Okay, great. So again, these are the candy coated sunflower seeds.
Yep. So while it's still hardening, you want to just put the nose right in the middle, and you can just alternate the colors, Ange.
Josh, I noticed you did your sunflower seeds like the pointy end down. Is that so it looks like a beak?
Yeah, that's actually one of the reasons these sunflower seeds work really well. And even when you do the top, the ear, the little feathers, the point really makes it look like an owl.
Okay. All right, for the next step for the owls, we are gonna have to reheat our chocolate up because it's been sitting to the side, and we are gonna fill it up in this little guy and use it to make the eyes.
Yeah, that's right.
All right. Wait, I forgot to ask you how long you heat it up.
Okay, so you heat it up for another 30 seconds.
30
Should
seconds.
do the trick on half power.
30 seconds on half power.
Half power.
I have to tell you guys, before I met Josh, I never knew that my microwave had a power level adjustment. I didn't know you could do half power.
Yeah, and defrost, and there's a popcorn button.
I know the popcorn
All sorts
button,
of things.
I know the beverage button, but I just like hit some, you know, whatever.
So now that we reheated the chocolate, we're going to transfer it into this squeeze bottle. So really easy. You just want to fill in the owl eyes completely.
The pretzel holes.
Yep.
That's what we're using for the owl eyes.
Exactly. You want to do a couple?
Sure.
All right, fill in the rest of those.
All right, so I have finished filling in the little pretzel eyes. Now, do we put the little eyeballs on?
Yep, now we put the eyeballs on. Plop them right in.
While it's still like gooey.
Well, it's still gooey, so they harden up together.
The minute you put the eyeballs in, you so see the face of the owl.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go back with the chocolate once the eyeballs are on. We're gonna add the ears, right?
Yep, we're just gonna put a little tiny dot right on the tips of the pretzel and add these brown candy-coated sunflower seeds to make it look like the feather or the ear on top.
Okay.
Okay, and then we just let them dry for about an hour, kind of like the pumpkins, and then they're ready to go.
They're so cute.
Yeah.
And what I love too, when Josh made all of the pretzels, he put them all on this platter. It just instantly is like festive and so cute. And the kids were like, oh, I want the owl, oh, I want the mummy. Or, you know, like they were like saying which ones they wanted.
Yeah.
So we did one other type of mini pretzel twist, and that was the mummy.
Yep, and the mummies are really easy as well, and we have the instructions up on our website, bakingwithjoshandange.com.
Okay, so the owls are done. Up next, it's my turn, and we're gonna make ghosts using the pretzel rods. Okay, so our white candy melts are all heated up. Did you like my professional terminology?
It's all gooey.
Now, Josh got these candy melt boxes to pour the melted candy melts in, and you're gonna dip the pretzel rod in there. But guess what? I had never even heard of these things. So if you're not a baker and you don't own these, you can just use a tall glass or a tall coffee mug.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
It works the same way. But these are great because they're tall and they're easy to dip in and out of.
All right, so our next step is to take the pretzel rod, Josh.
Okay.
And dip it in.
Dip.
See how easy this is? Like, this is the easiest one to do with the kids, for sure. Put it on the parchment paper. All right, let's do a few of those.
All right.
When Josh is done with that, we are just gonna put little mini chocolate chips for the eyes and the mouth. Ta-da, done.
And just a little tip with the chocolate chips is for the mouth, if you want to flip the chocolate chip upside down, then it makes it look more like an whole mouth, you know, like a ghost mouth.
Yeah. What I love about the pretzel rods too is you can really kind of freestyle. So we also made one where we dipped it in chocolate and we added candy corn all up and down it.
Yep, and sprinkles, like Halloween sprinkles on them.
Halloween, yeah, sprinkles. And then the other one we did is we made a green monster.
Ooh.
And you can give him just like one eyeball, give him some chocolate sprinkles for hair. And that's with green candy melt.
Yep, and that's all on our website as well if you want to learn how to make those.
Yeah. Okay, look how cute these turned out.
And to see how to make all of these, just go to our website. We have all the instructions right there.
www.bakingwithjoshandange.com. And we have recipes and videos. We got some merch. Head on over to the website, guys. Can I eat this guy?
Yeah, eat them. Eat them.
Yay!
I'm gonna take an owl.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, those are good. Thanks so much for stopping by.
Yep, and if you make these, tag us in them so we can see what you're making.
Yes,
okay?
we love it. Bye, see you next week.
Bye. Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Stop it. It's so creepy. It's so creepy.
I'm just trying to get in the Halloween spirit.
Like, I saw an owl pillow I really want the other day. I did.
No more pillows. We don't need any more pillows in this house. I don't really understand all the pillows on the bed, you know? like all the decorative pillows because
I got rid of almost
it just
all
seems
of
like
them.
extra work. Take them off before you get in bed, then you put them back on when you make the bed in the morning.
Did you notice I took the ones on the bed off?
I did.
You can't sit food out in front of me because if you sit food out in front of me, I'm gonna eat it. I realized this video, I don't know why, I'm doing a lot of thumbs up.
Yay!
I don't know what's gotten into me. Why I'm like miss thumbs up over here.